Two laws protecting illegal immigrants survive a major challenge by the Trump administration, but it was not a complete victory.
A federal judge did stop the state from enforcing a law related to workplace searches. KPIX 5's political reporter Melissa Caen was at the state capitol when the ruling came down. Melissa?
Yeah, Liz, we're here in Sacramento at the Eastern District of California Federal Courthouse. It's here today that a federal judge issued a 60-page ruling. Now, this judge, Judge John Mendez, is a Republican appointee. He was made a federal judge by George W. Bush. Still, when the Trump administration came and asked him for 3 laws to be temporarily suspended, he said no to 2 of them and yes to 1.
My message to President Trump and to the Attorney General, Jeff Sessions, is that Senate Bill 54, the California Values Act, is constitutional. And whether you like it or not, it is the law of the land of California.
Vindication for Democrats at the state capitol today when they learned about the ruling in the case of United States versus the state of California. Senator Kevin De Leon authored the sanctuary state law that was upheld today by the federal court.
I think this is a very huge victory for the rule of law in California, and it sends a very clear message to Washington.
Back in March of this year, the U.S. government sued the state of California. It alleges that 3 California laws that relate to immigration actually violate federal law. Then the U.S. government asked the court for an injunction. That's an order that would prevent those 3 laws from ever taking effect. And today's ruling was on that U.S. government request for an injunction. Today, the court said it will not stop the sanctuary state law that limits the ability of local law enforcement to cooperate with immigration officials. It also said it will not stop a law that allows the state to monitor certain immigration detention facilities. But the court did put the brakes on a law that prevents employers from cooperating with immigration officials without a warrant. Assemblyman David Chu wrote that law.
We were disappointed that the judge did not allow us to require employers to ask for a judicial subpoena when ICE comes knocking.
But he says overall the decision was positive.
Overall, I think it was a strong ruling for the state of California in our ability to protect our families, our workplace, our state from what Donald Trump is trying to do.
Despite our efforts, Republicans at the Capitol today were not available to speak on camera. But the Federal Department of Justice issued a statement praising the court's decision about private employers, but said, while we are disappointed that California's other laws designed to protect criminal aliens were not yet halted, the Justice Department will continue to seek out and fight unjust policies that threaten public safety. Now, remember, today's ruling was just on that preliminary injunction. The issue of whether the state laws actually conflict with federal law has not yet been resolved. This case is still going to have to be fully litigated. And so we may see plenty of court maneuvers, maybe even appeals going forward. We may even see legislative changes, tweaks to the law based on what the judge rules in this case. So today we saw the end of a battle in a much larger war. Liz?
And Melissa, the judge's ruling also included a rather blunt message to the people back in Washington.
I have to say, Liz, it's really astonishing. It comes on the last page of this ruling. You see something you just don't ever see. The judge said this is not an issue for the judiciary, this question of state versus federal when it comes to immigration law. He says this is an area for Congress. Let me just read a bit of it to you. He says this court joins the ever-growing chorus of federal judges in urging our elected officials to set aside the partisan and polarizing politics dominating the current immigration debate and work in a cooperative and bipartisan fashion toward drafting and passing legislation that addresses this critical political issue. Our nation deserves it. Our Constitution demands it. Powerful words from an obviously frustrated federal judge here in Sacramento. Liz?
All right, Melissa Caen in Sacramento. Thank you, Melissa.